Alright, meteorologist Team Davis and the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com. We're going to talk about tropics and what's going on in the tropics and how it could affect our weather coming up by the end of the week. You see, we do look like we're going to have a landfalling tropical system somewhere in Texas to Louisiana coastline, west of New Orleans. We also see that this turns, and what this will do will add actually precipitation by the weekend here along the East Coast, even possibly some isolated thunderstorms with tornadoes, because on the eastern side of a landfalling tropical system, even if it's a depression, it has to spin to create tornadic activity. So anywhere that would be east and south of this could be in that threat zone, which could be including Philadelphia and Roanoke, as well as parts of North Carolina. So that's one thing of models for 93. That's the majority of the models. We'll take a look at the satellite picture here, and you see it's not quite all together yet, but it is getting its act together. It could become the next tropical storm. So, that being said, it's definitely ramping up, and will bring a lot of rain to the coast. You can see the low pressure system is located right around here. So if we get this central dense overcast to come all the way around the center of circulation, it would be a stronger system. You see thunderstorms are developing there, and the forecast plots show this thing pretty much has an eastern track to it. So back out of here, official National Hurricane Center track has this thing landfalling in the actual area of the Texas-Louisiana coastline, with tropical storm warnings all the way across, including New Orleans at the time. And then it turns towards Tennessee. Like I said, eastern side of the system is heavy precip, and it could cause some circulation, which could lead to isolated tornado. Tropical storm Brett, on the other hand, has actually formed quite nicely and is looking very healthy around the center of circulation. But this looks eventually to get shared up and die over the areas as it crosses some of the mountains of these islands and so forth. So, Brett definitely looks nice on the satellite, but could be an issue further on. As you see here, tropical storm, and then goes to a depression by Thursday at 2 a.m. south of Jamaica, and this likely would continue to push west. If it keeps a low-level circulation, you never know, it could reform in the eastern Pacific. Taking a look at our current system, you can see that we would see the tropical system make landfall. This is the GFS model. Then we'd have the heavy rainfall. This wobbles a little bit, but then turns northeast. Like I said, will give precipitation here east of the system. So that, like I said, could be a situation where we have heavy rain and even isolated tornadoes as this occurs. You see nothing else shows up in there. We'll move this to another model. I'm going to move it over to the European. And you will see this low pressure move up. I'll back it up. Low pressure will come in there around Texas. This will be closer to the Houston area, and then circle around and come back towards Virginia. So that case scenario, we would be even closer to low and have other issues here. Hurricane models. HWRF 4.3. We'll move the HWRF along. I'll move this all the way back, because this is half the problem. We don't get a good angle on this. We have to wait till it goes all the way back. Like I said, this looks to affect Louisiana and Texas area. Move north and inland. Tennessee, Kentucky. So this could be another interesting situation as it moves along. Hurricane, another one, GFDL. Also going to pull in 3. much like everything else, the GFDL does the same type of situation. With that being said, we need to watch out for that precipitation possibility here in the East Coast after these storms come ashore. Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, will keep you updated. Thanks for watching.